Xiaomi launched their latest flagship smartphones, Xiaomi 15 and Xiaomi 15 Ultra during MWC 2025 in Barcelona. Here's everything you need to know about these two smartphones. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is Xiaomi's most advanced smartphone, designed for photography enthusiasts and professionals. It features a Leica-inspired design with aerospace-grade glass fiber, PU leather, and Xiaomi Shield Glass 2.0. The 6.73-inch WQHD Plus AMOLED display offers a 3200 by 1440 resolution with 522 ppi pixel density and 3200 nits of peak brightness, ensuring vibrant visuals in any lighting condition. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra features a Leica-tuned quad camera setup. It includes a 50-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, another 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and lastly, a 200-megapixel periscope telephoto camera. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC, it comes with 16GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.1 storage. The 5410 mAh battery supports 90-watt hypercharge for wired charging and 80-watt wireless charging. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra runs on Xiaomi HyperOS 2.0, which is based on Android 15. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is priced at €1499 for the 16GB plus 512GB variant. The Xiaomi 15 is a high-performance flagship smartphone designed for those who prefer a compact form factor. It features a 6.36-inch Crystal Res AMOLED display with a 3200 nits of peak brightness. The Xiaomi 15 is equipped with a 50-megapixel Leica Summilux main sensor, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Like its Ultra counterpart, the Xiaomi 15 is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC. It comes with 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. The 5240 mAh battery supports 90-watt hypercharge for wired charging and 50-watt wireless charging. The Xiaomi 15 too runs on Xiaomi's HyperOS 2.0, which is based on Android 15. The Xiaomi 15 starts at €999 for the 12GB of RAM and 256GB of storage variant. The official launch details for India will be announced on 11th March 2025. See you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to the channel.